Hello, good morning to all. So we are doing the exercises of the second chapter. Second chapter, our food. Completed the first page. I hope all of you completed this page in your textbook. Then today we have to do the second page. The remaining part of our exercises. So what is the first one? Why should we wash fruits before eating them? Before eating them, we have to wash the fruits. If it is out from the market, or if it is from the nearby shop, or if it is from under our own mango tree, then also what we have to do? We have to wash the fruits to kill the germs and others, to remove the complete germs present in the fruit. We have to wash it, otherwise it may enter to our body and it may make a number of problems inside our body, a number of diseases. We may fall sick if we are not washing the fruits. So we can write the answer as in very simple word. We should wash fruits. We should wash fruits before eating to remove the germs. To remove the germs. This answer you can write here. Then write down any 3 healthy eating habits. Healthy eating habits we discussed a lot. A number of healthy eating habits are there. That is given in the page. Healthy eating habits. A number of other. Always wash your hands, rinse your mouth, and want to drink a lot of water and chew the food properly. Like this, a number of healthy eating habits that we studied. We are selecting the simple ones. Very small sentence and also very simple 3. And we are writing here now. Number 1A. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. B. Eat a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. C. Avoid junk food items. Avoid junk food items. 3 simple sentences that we select to write in our textbook and also notebook. Then after that, something is given in the last part of the chapter that is only for checking whether you studied the chapter completely or not. Okay, so we can do what are they. We can just see what are they. Values and life skills. That is, your friend, you are from the school, you and your friend, both of you are eating the lunch, and what he is doing? He is swallowing all the food very quickly and running outside to play. Is it good? What you will see if you are watching this? What you would see? You would say to him, if you are watching this activity by your friend, is it good? The eating this rapidly, very fastly somebody is eating, is it good? No. What we studied, one of the healthy eating habits, we have to chew our food properly. So ask your friend, say to your friend, don't do so. You want to take time to complete your food. That means you have to keep the food inside the mouth and want to chew the food very properly before swallowing into the stomach. Otherwise, there will be no digestion process. There will be no process this proper digestion. So for the proper digestion of our food, we have to eat it slowly and also chew it very in a very good way. We have to chew the food properly. Then you have to say to your friend. Okay. Then at last it is given that fun time is simply you can do that. We studied about the kinds of food, energy giving food, body building food, and also one more is sir, what is it? Protective foods. So the names of some food items are also given here. You want to write, there is a small box also near to the names. You can see small blue colored boxes. Inside in the boxes you want to write, if it is energy giving, write E. If it is body building, write B. If it is protective, then write P. That you can do in the textbook. So today you want to fill this 1, 2, 3. This you can do today fill today itself. And one more is, sir, why do you think it is necessary to eat all kind of food? Discuss in class. So just you can write a sentence about the balanced diet. Eating all kind of food provides a balanced diet to our body, or eating all kind of food can give all type of nutrients to our body. Okay, if we want to receive all type of nutrients, we have to eat all kinds of food. So it is very essential to give a proper balanced diet. That also you can write in a single sentence. So that's all about the chapter today itself. Don't forget to fill this page. Okay.